bone-on-bone knee osteoarthritis. So Valerie came to us a little more than a month ago. They told you needed a knee replacement, correct?
Yeah, 2 different orthopedists
Okay.
said I need to have a knee replacement. There is really nothing they can do for me.
All right. So instead, we did the laser-guided umbilical cord stem cell stimulation therapy. 1 month later, how's the knee now?
It's my hero knee.
Uh-huh.
It's carrying me through because my sciatica is bad on the other side.
Uh-huh.
And the hero knee is helping me with, there's no pain.
Uh-huh.
The swelling has gone down. It's a lot stronger. I mean, I don't really feel like I'm going to be rushing to get surgery at all.
Oh, good. How many
Which is what they wanted me to do.
How many percent better does that knee feel 1 month after the procedure?
Oh gosh, I would say at least 75% better.
Wow. You're walking a lot more?
Oh yes,
Okay.
it's much
Can I
better.
can I see your mobility? You're gonna get up from the chair, go there and come back. All right.
Well,
You're not limping like before, are you?
Well,
No.
don't look at
No.
this side though.
All right. Yeah.
That's the sciatica side.
Yeah.
But this side is the bad
Uh-huh.
knee, which is
Yeah.
no longer bad.
You're walking a lot better. All right. Now we'll start working out that sciatica too. Okay. All right.